Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome to my channel Glimpse of Light. Today we will discuss verse number 26 of chapter number 2.
بسم فاسقين.
In this verse, the words ba'uzatan fama fawqaha means mosquitoes or anything above that. The marvelous wording of this verse explains the fact about parasites on mosquitoes. Before moving forward, we should know that what are parasites. A parasite is an organism that lives in or on a host and gets its food from or at expense of its host. The lifespan of parasites depend on the fuel from their host. They flourish to detriment their host. 70% of parasites are microscopic, and Quran has revealed this amazing fact around 1400 years ago. Indeed, these are words of Allah. Can you believe a microscopic organism on another tiny organism? And it was mentioned in Quran when even lenses were not invented. Allah says in Quran that Allah is not ashamed to set forth an example of a mosquito or even something above it, and those who have believed know that it is truth from their Lord. But those who disbelieve, they say, what did Allah intend by this as an example? Allah has mentioned the example of pesky pest in Quran, and disbelievers may object, but one should not criticize before having the complete knowledge about anything. I will mention few interesting facts about mosquitoes. According to American Mosquito Control Association, there are over 3,000 different species of mosquitoes throughout the world. And here's a fun fact for you. Do you know that only female mosquitoes bite? Male mosquitoes don't rely on human blood to develop, and they feed only on nectar of flowers. Another important fact about mosquitoes are that these tiny organisms sucks the blood twice of their own weight. A mosquito requires a blood meal to develop her eggs. That's why only female mosquito bite. Well, don't worry. It would take them about 1.2 million bites to drain all the blood from your body. And yes, mosquitoes don't have teeth. The mosquito bite with a long pointed needle-like mouth parts which are used for piercing and sucking. It acts like a tongue and is used to suck up the blood. When a mosquito bites you, she releases her saliva into the wound. Mosquito saliva contains anticoagulant, which helps the blood to flow easily, while also ensuring the host is unaware of the activity, allowing the mosquito to feed without disturbed. Well, I think she's smart. Another important research about mosquitoes are that they are attracted towards carbon dioxide. Mosquitoes can sense carbon dioxide up to 100 feet away. Since human beings exhale carbon dioxide through nose and mouth, mosquitoes are attracted towards our heads. And there is no limit to the number of mosquito bites. A female mosquito will continue to bite and feed on blood until she is full. After they have consumed enough blood, the mosquito will rest for a couple of days before laying her eggs. Once this is complete, she is ready to bite again. Studies have revealed that the blood provides nutrients but also contains an excess of salt, such as potassium chloride. Mosquitoes have kidneys that excrete the excess salt and water from their own body. As they take in the blood meal, they urinate to dispose of the waste products. It is estimated that mosquitoes live less than only 2 months, but still, mosquitoes are known as vectors for several harmful diseases such as malaria, Zika, dengue, and many more. It is believed that as a result of this, mosquitoes are responsible for around 1 million deaths per year. These were just few highlighted properties of this little pest. Indeed, creation of Allah is beyond our imagination. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.